Oh, what's up, guys? Go ahead with a quick unboxing. I got this from Walmart. Guys, man, someone bought the AJ Styles one I wanted, so the unboxing I'm not an unboxer. I haven't done this before on my channel. Roman freaking Reigns. He needs to join the Shield. The Shield's reformed and Seth Rollins, Dean Ambrose are coming back together. But Roman Reigns, I don't know what to tell you. I don't even know where you at on. But right now, I found this in Walmart. It's Elite. I think it's Elite Series. Elite Series. So let's just open this right up. As this is the one where he was the United States champion. I don't know why I like him, because when you do his moves in the game, it's hard. Like, you gotta run at him. But when you have to do his signature, once they updated, that was easy. You just made it easy. And hold up. Just let me pick some stuff from the background. I'm gonna put it right here. Now, all my trash gonna go in here. Box on the back. Alright, this was the AJ Styles I was going to get. Like this one right here. This is the one I saw and I wanted. I already got Sami Zayn. I saw Mick Foley. I saw this Mick Foley. I saw Razor Ramon. I saw like everybody over here except for AJ Styles because someone bought him. I found him. I found all these guys on the back. I found all of them. But AJ Styles got took it. In the bag, that is going to be trash. Roman Reigns. Alright. There's a folder outside. Folder bands. I had a folder, but I wrecked it with me and my dad on it, so like, it's time to unleash Roman Reigns. I don't know why, for some reason I'm like, let's keep going. Okay. So let's unbox them out of here. Yep, there we go. Come on, Roman. Alright, this is how Roman Reigns looks. Oh, you can take his thing guard on his back. Oh, cool. I ain't gonna do it because I don't know how to put it back on. Alright, there we go. We'll go ahead and put that in the trash bag. So, Roman Reigns in the box, out the box now. I want to imagine how he do the spear in it again. Like, but since he has a United States champion on my show, I don't know, I do stop motion like Graham Toy Show. So I'm gonna keep him. You're going to see my hands when I make them fight. So, yeah, that's how yeah, you can't put the around his face. But at least this is a new title because I had one of the, Typhoon and Earthquake. I had Typhoon, his title. I had his title, and I had said that it was the WWE World New title, the GTS Future title for toys, yeah. And now at least this add up to the collection. Look at this baby. Alright, that ends the video. Please like, subscribe to Grim Toy Show. And a lot of people in Preston, make sure you subscribe. Alright, peace out.